Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of growth stocks, those high-flying companies with the potential to deliver strong returns over the long term. With the market constantly evolving, finding the best growth stocks to invest in can be challenging. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm about to share the 10 best growth stocks you should consider adding to your portfolio right now. So why are we focusing on growth stocks today? Well, after a strong performance in 2023, growth stocks had a bit of a shaky start in 2024. But here's the good news. Some of these high-quality companies are currently trading below their fair value, making them potentially great buys for long-term investors. Before we jump into the list, let's quickly touch on what makes these stocks stand out. All of these companies are in the growth portion of the Morningstar style box. This means they're poised for higher earnings growth compared to their peers. Plus, they're on Morningstar's list of the best companies to own for 2024, meaning they've got strong economic moats, predictable cash flows, and smart management teams. All right, let's get into it. Here are the top 10 growth stocks to buy for the long term. Number 1 on our list is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or TSM. As the world's largest dedicated chip manufacturer with nearly 60% market share, TSM is a powerhouse in the semiconductor industry. The stock is currently trading at a 27% discount to its fair value estimate of $213 per share, making it a compelling buy for the long term. Next up, we have NXP Semiconductors, a key player in the automotive and mixed-signal chip markets. Despite selling into cyclical industries, NXP's strong competitive advantages make it a solid investment. It's trading at 26% below its fair value estimate of $320 per share. Rentokil Initial, a leader in pest control and hygiene services, is another great pick. The company's strategic acquisitions and market leadership have earned it a wide economic moat. With a 25% discount to its fair value, this stock is worth a closer look. Of course, no growth stock list would be complete without Microsoft. With its leadership in cloud computing and artificial intelligence, Microsoft continues to impress with strong revenue growth and expanding margins. Trading 18% below its fair value estimate, MSFT is a must-have for any long-term portfolio. Airbus is another giant, primarily generating revenue from commercial aircraft manufacturing. With limited competition in the high-end market, Airbus is well-positioned to benefit from the growth in air travel. Currently, the stock is trading 17% below its fair value estimate. Amazon, the e-commerce behemoth, is also a leader in cloud services and digital advertising. These sectors are expected to drive strong revenue and cash flow growth in the coming years. Amazon stock is currently trading 17% below its fair value estimate. Autodesk, the global leader in computer-aided design software, is another great growth stock to consider. With over 95% of its revenue now recurring, Autodesk is trading 15% below its fair value estimate. BAE Systems, a major player in the defense industry, is poised to benefit from increased global defense spending. The stock is currently trading 12% below its fair value estimate. Experian, one of the big three credit bureaus, is expanding in emerging markets like Brazil. With a strong foothold in these growing economies, Experian is trading 12% below its fair value estimate. Rounding out our list is DLT Systems, a leader in CAD software for the automotive and aerospace industries. With strong market penetration and a 10% discount to its fair value estimate, this stock is a solid choice for long-term growth. And there you have it, the 10 best growth stocks to buy for the long term. Remember, while these stocks look undervalued today, it's important to do your own research and consider your financial goals before investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips and stock picks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.